I once read water has memory, and like every other autumn, rain came back, and it brought with it some memories that were long forgotten. The smells, the colors we remember as kids are something that never really goes away. It stays with us every moment until our very last breath. In a world like the one we live in, having time to perceive our memories is a luxury. But water brings back everything, and there's no hiding from it. There's no entertainment, there's no corner, there's no place that water doesn't reach. And with it, everything that we've been trying to avoid. Being a kid means seeing the magic in everything. And as you see a shade or a light, you're dreaming about what it could be and where it could take you. Those colors and those paths are going endlessly on and on and on, no matter how many steps you take. But nevertheless, you're thrilled and enjoy every single step of the way. You jump into the unknown, and the excitement is what leads you forward into exploring what is not yet discovered, into finding out where could you end up, where will you end up, will you ever end up anywhere? But it doesn't matter because your spirit is leading you, and it takes you everywhere you need to be. You can run, you can jump, find difficult steps to take, but everything will bring you in every place you need to go. You'll find out that your destination has always been a part of who you are. The destination you've been looking for is already there. It's inside you, and it stays with you every step of your journey. As we sail through our lives, we end up feeling that we're navigating in shallow waters, and we can't quite see what's underneath that. But as the sun comes back, everything becomes clear, and everything makes sense to what's been happening to us and why it's been happening. And so we step on, discovering the treasure of every moment. And even when we jump into the unknown, we know inside that we're safe.